In this video, I'll guide you through how to give access on Google Docs. By the end, you'll know exactly how to share a document with other people and control what they can and can't do inside it. Let's start with the basics. First, open the Google Docs file you want to share. It could be a document you've just created or one you've been working on for a while. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one, so you don't accidentally share from the wrong profile. Once your document is open, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Share. This button is your main control center for giving access. Go ahead and click that. When you do, a sharing window will pop up. This is where you'll decide who can open your document and what level of control they'll have. In the sharing window, you'll see a field where you can add people or groups. Click into that box and start typing the email addresses of the people you want to share the document with. As you type, Google may suggest contacts based on your previous activity. You can select from those suggestions or type the full address yourself. Take a moment to double check each email address for accuracy. A small typo can send your document to the wrong person or mean the intended person never gets access. If you're sharing with multiple people, you can add several email addresses one after another in the same field. Once you've added the email addresses, you'll notice that next to each person, there's a drop-down menu. This menu controls the level of access they'll have. You can choose between viewer, commenter, or editor. Let's go over what each of these means so you can pick the right one for each person. Viewer is the most limited level of access. Someone with viewer access can open and read the document, but they can't change anything. They also can't leave comments. This is ideal if you're sharing a finalized document like a finished report or a reference file, and you just want others to be able to see it without making edits. Commenter is the middle level. A commenter can't directly edit the main text, but they can highlight parts of the document and leave comments or suggestions on the side. This is perfect for getting feedback, reviews, or approvals while still protecting the original content from being changed accidentally. Editor is the highest level of access. Editors can do almost everything you can do as the owner. They can change the text, format the document, add or remove content, and in many cases share it with others as well, depending on your settings. Use this for teammates or collaborators who are actively working with you to write or revise the document. Choose the appropriate role from the drop-down next to each email address. You can mix and match, giving some people viewer access, others commenter access, and a few full editor access depending on what they need. Before you finish, you can also type an optional message that will be included in the email notification they receive. This can help give context, like why you're sharing the document or what you want them to do with it. When everything looks right, click the button to send or save your sharing settings. The people you selected will receive an email with a link, and they'll be able to open the document with the permissions you set. That's all you need to give access on Google Docs. Click Share, add email addresses, and choose Viewer, Commenter, or Editor, depending on how much control you want others to have.